Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Passing HSK4 in 7 days. It sounds impossible, right? And honestly, it's kind of is. If you are starting from zero Chinese, this video is not for you. But if you already have a solid foundation in HSK3 and you need to pass HSK4 for a university application or a job, there is a way to maximize your score in just 1 week. It's not about becoming fluent. It's about passing a test. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. Here are 3 things nobody tell you about this exam. First, guessing is a skill. In the reading section, if you don't know a word, don't panic. Look at the context. HSK4 reading is predictable. The answer is usually in the text. Second, the paper exam versus computer. If you are taking the paper test, practice writing the character by hand. You have to actually write the Chinese character for the writing section. And third rule, the golden rule, don't get stuck. If you don't know the answer in listening, guess and move on. You can't pause the audio. In reading, skip the hard question and come back. This is a high-stakes Scrum session. Before you hit the subscribe button, let's get one thing straight. You need to know the 600 word from HSK3. This method built on that. We are going to use a military style strategy to get you to that passing score in 7 days. First, you need to understand what you are up against. HSK4 is roughly a B1 or B2 level, but the test is very specific. There are 100 questions divided into listening, reading, and writing, and you have about 100 minutes to finish it. You need 180 out of 300 points. That's only 60%. You don't need to be perfect. You need to be efficient. This is not a language test. It's a pattern recognition test for the week. In listening, there will be 45 questions. It's fast and you only hear it once. This is the hardest part to cram for. Reading, there will be 40 questions and this is your best friend for scoring point. Lots of fill in the blanks and sentence ordering. And writing, there will be 15 questions. You have to write sentence with given word and describe a picture. So everyone, our strategy is we are going to survive the listening and dominate the reading and writing part. Alright everyone, get your pen ready. Here is your 7-day schedule. So guys, you need 1200 HSK4 words, but you don't have time to learn them all. You need to recognize them. Get the official HSK4 vocabulary list. I used a PDF with 1200 words. Spent 8 hours today just going through. Everyone, HSK4 has over 150 grammar patterns. You don't need to use them perfectly. You just need to recognize them in the reading section. Focus on new stuff, the more formal grammatical structure like Puchin, Archie. You just need to focus on common grammatical structure and some tricky complement structure like verb plus da plus la. Drill this pattern. Don't memorize the rules. Memorize the feel of the sentence. So day 3 is all about reading. We are doing mock test, not full ones. Just the reading section. Do 3 reading sections back to back. When you check the answer, Don't just see what you got wrong. Ask, why did I get it wrong? The sentence order question part 2 are easy point. If you practice them, learn the logic. Writing beautiful essay, just pass. The first part gives you word to make a sentence. Practice that. For the picture part, learn a template. Always describe. In the picture, I see, don't get fancy, just write a grammatically correct 50 character sentence. Focus on structure, not creativity. We are doing a full 100 minutes mock test. All 3 sections, start to finish it. It is going to be hard. You will be tired. That's the point. You need to build the mental stamina. Treat it like the real exam. Look at your day 5 score. If your reading is strong, good. Focus on fixing your listening errors today. Listen to the audio clips over and over until you hear the answer. If you bombed the writing, write 10 sentences using the key grammar pattern like past sentence. Do not study new stuff. Light review. Look over your grammar note. Do one easy listening exercise. Go to bed early. The exam is about confidence. If you found this helpful, please smash that like button for the algorithm. It really helps the channel. And if you have any question about the schedule or the exam structure, drop a comment below. I'll try to answer them. Good luck. Cheerio.